What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a more chatty video. I recently went to go buy some stuff, a few skincare, makeup and body care products, and I thought I'd share them. We are going into our summer months in the southern hemisphere, and you know, sometimes you have to change up the products that you're using because of the season that you're going into. And so some of the products are ones that I use throughout the seasons, and then others are specifically because we're going into hotter weather and I need to tailor my products and makeup accordingly. All right, let's get straight into it. The first product I want to talk about is this Nivea hand cream. It's the Nivea Creme hand cream, and guys, seriously, I have been buying this over and over for the past 10 years, I'd say, and I've tried other hand creams and nothing comes close to this. Nivea is just one of those brands that is so iconic, especially for people with dry skin. I use their body lotion, and my kids use their body lotion, and you know, because we all in our family, we generally have dry skin, and Nivea has just been consistent in this formula over the years. No body lotion or hand cream comes close to it. The only thing I wish they would include in their hand cream is SPF, especially in a country that is as hot as ours. We need a strong SPF at that, not just 25. I would say like an SPF 30. But outside of that, I think this is such a great product, and it's consistent, and you know, it's not one of those like flashy brands, but it does the job. It does what it needs to do, and it gets the job done. And so if you're out there looking for a hand cream, please try this out. I'm sure the hand cream is quite thick, so you do have to apply it for quite some time, but once it's rubbed in, you know, it doesn't feel greasy. It just feels like your skin's absorbed it, and it really leaves your hands feeling moisturized for quite some time. So Nivea has this ingredient in this range, in this Nivea cream. I think it's one of the original ranges. It has an ingredient called Eucerin, which I want to read out to you because I think it's quite interesting, and is what makes it stand out quite a bit. Is that Eucerin is an emulsifying agent that makes it possible to mix and stabilize two immiscible liquids such as water and oil into a finely dispersed mixture known as an emulsion. So I think that emulsion, that ingredient of water and oil, is what really makes your hand moisturized and hydrated, and just look at that looks so good, right? Anyone from Nivea listening, please add SPF to your hand cream. Like your product is perfect, it just needs SPF. All right, on to the next one. Then we go into skincare. I went to Edgar's Beauty and I needed to change up my skincare. I just feel like my skin just needs a bit of a change. I do need a new exfoliator, and I wanted to try something that was a little more chemical. And so I figured, because Fenty has just arrived in South Africa, let me give Fenty Skin a try. So the first product I bought was this Pre-Show Glow. It's an instant retexturizing treatment. From what the lady at the Fenty Skin told me was, this is quite strong, and that you just need to use it twice a week and apply it on for 30 seconds, 60 seconds max, and then you rinse it off, because anything longer than that, and it could potentially burn your skin. So it is quite strong, but it's a chemical exfoliant, and so I wanted to try this out. I've heard rave reviews about Fenty Skin, and yeah, I just wanted to give it a try and see if the hype is worth it. I will say this, I bought a small size. I do believe with skincare, when I'm first trying it out, I don't want to buy big size products, because I'm not sure if it's something that is going to agree with my skin, if I'm going to enjoy it. And that's a tip I'd give anybody, that if you're looking to change up your skincare, buy travel size kits or starter kits first and give it a try first, and then if you really love it, then purchase the big size ones, the full size product ranges. I'll let you know my thoughts once I've used it for a couple of weeks to see if this has really made an impact, made a change. Let's see. Then I also went and bought the Fenty Skin Starter Kit. And I bought, the starter kit comes with a total cleanser, it comes with fat water, it comes with Hydra Visor, and it comes with butter drop. So the total cleanser is quite self-explanatory. It's the cleanser. Fat water is the pore refining toner serum. The Hydra Visor is invisible moisturizer, and this has an SPF 30. And then it comes with a sample size butter drop whipped oil body cream to give that a try as well. The first one is a total cleanser, and you can use this day and night, and it removes both makeup and just your general cleanse, or removing dirt and impurities and stuff. What this looks like, this is what the cleanser looks like, and it's quite thick, which is really nice, and it lathers as you apply it. So this is what it looks like. Put that down. This is what it looks like if you apply it onto your skin. So it's really thick and it looks moisturizing. Like, I haven't used it yet, but already I can tell that this is quite moisturizing, which is nice. I love moisturizing cleansers, so I'm really excited to try this out and see how this treats my skin. This fat water toner says it instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the look of dark spots, evens the skin tone, and fights shine without stripping skin. And again, you can use this day and night. Guys, right up my alley. My skin, I've said this before, is on the drier side of things, and so anything that hydrates, moisturizes, but still cleans and refines the pores is right up my alley. So I'm excited to use this toner and see what that's about. And then finally we have the moisturizer, which has an SPF 30. I'm always happy when it comes to SPF. I always look for SPF in products. This is light as air hydration, invisible sun protection, defends and brightens skin while reducing the look of pores, and made with care from coral reefs. So this, I have tried this, and it is just so thick. The thing about Fenty Skin that I'm realizing is that the texture is so thick. It really feels very moisturizing. So I'm super excited to just see how this again treats my skin over a long period of time, and to come back and just give you guys a real review of what I think about Fenty Skin in general, and in totality, to use all the whole product line and really just get a sense of how it impacts my skin and some of the pros and cons that I find from using it. So I will get back and do another video and just let you guys know, maybe when I replenish my products, and if I replenish my products, that is, I'll give you guys a review on my thoughts, because I think with skincare you can't really do a review without trying it for a couple of weeks. So let me come back to you guys in a couple of weeks and let you know what I think. But this is what I'm trying. I'm trying out the Fenty Skin. Let's see how it goes. Still sticking to skincare, I'm also trying out some serums. I'm trying out the L'Oreal range for my serums this time. Again, these are new products, and because it's summer, I'm looking for products that hydrate, even my skin tone, protect me from the sun, and also help with exfoliation, because all the sun on my skin, I need something that kind of replenishes my skin, refines the pores, and just helps with revitalizing my skin. First things first is the L'Oreal Paris Innovation Revitalift Filler. It is 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid, anti-wrinkle serum, and it visibly hydrates and smooths and replumps wrinkles. And it is a concentrated hyaluronic acid. I've already used this for a couple of days now because I wanted to give you my first impressions on what I think of it, and so far I really love it. It's so lightweight and really feels like it absorbs into your skin. I really feel like my skin feels a lot more plump. It's only been a couple of days, so the jury's still out, but I do think over time I'm going to fall in love with this. Hyaluronic acid is always good if you feel like you need your skin looks dry, you need more moisture, you want something that just plumps up your skin, find any hyaluronic serum that will work for you. But I'm going to try this out and let you guys know what I think of it, but I'm excited to try. Alright, the other serum that I'm going to try is the Pure Retinol Deep Wrinkle Night Serum, and it says a correct appearance of wrinkle. It corrects appearances of all wrinkles, even deep wrinkles, and it is the Innovation Revitalift Laser. Retinol has been one of the serums that have really changed the appearance of my skin and has impacted it so positively, so I cannot recommend it enough. Vitamin C, retinol, and hyaluronic acid are the serums that have really impacted my skin and changed it for the better. And retinol is just, I would recommend retinol to everybody. It is just so impactful. You see the results almost instantly. And again, the L'Oreal one is on the more affordable side. Again, it's around that 300 Rand range, and I think which is really reasonable for retinols. This can go all the way upwards to in the thousands, you know, 1,000 plus. So think 1,002, 1,005. And so I think one for 300 Rand is quite affordable. I love it. I will always buy vitamin C, I will always buy retinol, I'll always buy hyaluronic acid. I just think that they are worth the price. I've seen the effect it has on my skin. I haven't had any skin issues in quite some time now, and I think consistency plus the right products have been the reason why my skin has been consistent, has been even toned, and the reason why I don't have a lot of issues with my skin. Now, I'm not saying this is for everybody. I generally have really good skin, but I did have hormonal breakouts. I would get breakouts randomly if I wasn't looking after myself, diet, etc. But since I've been consistent with my skincare, I have seen a difference. There are those who have more serious skin issues, and I'm not saying that. I'm not saying these skin products are the answer to very serious issues. I'll let you know what I think of the L'Oreal range, but in terms of serums, give any retinol, vitamin C, or hyaluronic acid a try. Okay. Alright, the last category is makeup, and this is going to be quick because I've already done a video on the first two products. I went on a L'Oreal spree this week clearly because the next two products are also L'Oreal products. I've heard so much about the Infallible foundation range and I've never tried it, and so I wanted to give it a try. I have a video reviewing the foundation and concealer, and let me tell you, the concealer, let's start with the concealer because it's my favorite product. I am in the shade 338 Honey, and oh my gosh, I love this. I absolutely love this concealer. It applies on like it's sheer, but then it still gives you full coverage. I don't know, the formula is just really delicious, and this is my skin color. It's not a brightening concealer, which I like. I'm not a big fan of brightening concealers, but if you look for something, if you want one that's brightening, then look for a shade slightly lighter than the Honey 338. And the L'Oreal Infallible foundation is what I'm wearing today. This is very full coverage. It is long wearing. I have tried it. It really is transfer proof. I think that's my favorite part of what this foundation offers, is that I can wear this all day and I won't find foundation marks on everything, which, you know, quite a few foundations have that issue. And so if you're looking for something that is transfer proof, then look into this L'Oreal Infallible foundation. I would recommend it for work, long days, shoot days, you know, anything that requires you to have makeup on for an extended period of time. I think these this range, the Infallible range, is the range. I also particularly like the fact that it has skincare ingredients in it. So it's got a vitamin, it's 32-hour wear, and it's got vitamin C plus SPF 25. Again, SPF, always love that. You can never apply too much SPF in my opinion. And but I apply SPF before, and then I'll still put on the foundation with SPF, because I just think sunscreen is that important. It makes that much of an impact on your skin. It's one of the things that have really changed the way my skin looks as well. And so yeah, if you're looking for a good foundation, try the L'Oreal Infallible. Okay, while we're still on the L'Oreal train, this is one of those iconic products that people have just raved on and on about. I have bought it before and I love it, and this is why this is a repurchase. It's the Lash Paradise L'Oreal Intense Volume Spectacular Long Lashes, and it is suited for sensitive eyes, which I personally have. I wear contact lenses, and if I apply my mascara wrong sometimes, it just ruins, like my eye just gets really irritated. And so anything for those sensitive eyes I gravitate towards, and this one is just, oh, chef's kiss. This one is in black, and the packaging is so pretty as well. It's like a rose gold package. This mascara gives you really fluffy eyelashes. It's really so good. It's worth it. You probably end up repurchasing this over and over again, and I couldn't recommend this more. So give it a try. And then finally, geez man, I bought a lot of L'Oreal. I didn't even realize it. But finally, I'm also trying out the Ultra Matte Liquid L'Oreal Les Chocolats. And this is a matte liquid liner. Ew. So this is a matte liquid, it's a matte liquid lipstick, and I really love a good matte liquid lipstick. It's a nude chocolate color, and I wanted to give it a try. I've never really delved into L'Oreal products that much, and I just wanted to give a few of their iconic products a try. And so this seemed like a good idea, because I generally, my everyday makeup, I generally gravitate towards nude lips, and a matte lip is long wearing, again great for work, great for when you want your lipstick to last for a long time, and yeah, and work. Alright guys, that's it for my summer beauty haul. Those are the things that I've bought, and I'll probably add on as we go along and as and when I need to. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and catch me next week for a new one. Thank you, bye.